Hey, today we're going to get a quick look at an OKK VM7. The machine is new in 2002 and it is a 40 taper geared head machine with 8,000 RPM. So the VM7 has a table size of 29 by 61 and it'll hold about 3,300 pounds. This machine travels 60 by 29 and it has 26 inches under the spindle. As I mentioned, this is an 8,000 RPM machine, Cat 40 geared head machine, and it's got 10 horse, 15 intermittent. This is a really nice machine. It has the OKK, they call it the Neo 635 Meldus CNC control, and it has a bunch of nice features. It does have a manual pulse generator and dual chip augers out back, but the machine is just in super nice condition. It can be seen under power, by appointment, and please visit with us at www.wigglesworth.com to see all of our new additions and our featured machines.